Hello guys, welcome to Sparking Media once again. In this video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys 3 applications that can pay you 2,000 to 5,000 naira every blessed day using your smartphone just by being online. Okay, it's totally free. Please take note, no investment required. But before we proceed, guys, if you are new to this channel, if this is the first time you're hearing my voice or first time you're coming across my channel, I would like you to subscribe to this channel. What I do on this channel is all about business. So for you not to miss any of my updates, all you need to do is to hit on that subscribe button shown on your screen and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I release new videos on how to make money online with your smartphone like this. And then don't also forget to like and share this video after watching. Now, these platforms I'm going to show you, the funny part of it is that they work similarly, okay, and you can use one account to do them all, which means as they're generating money from the other app, you're also generating money from the other apps, and they're also generating money from the other apps. That's why I say you can earn 2,000 to 5,000 naira every blessed day. This platform, they have been existing since, let me just say, since November, December till this February. So for those of you who have not heard about this update, or you have heard about the update but you are still doubting it, so after watching this video, doubt no more. And then I'm going to leave the registration links in the comment section. So registration link in the comment section. If you want to join all of them, you can join all of them. Remember, to maximize your income, you have to join all of them, and to minimize your income, you can just join anyone you feel like you want to join. Okay, so now what is this platform all about? Number one is W8 job. This is number one, W8 job. So I'm going to be logging into my own account. This is my own personal W8 job account, as you can see. So this is my W8 job account. Like I said, the funny thing is that this platform, they all work the same. They work similarly. So you may be confused at the time. Now, what is this platform all about? Now, this definition covers them for the 3. Please take note. This W8 job is an online earning platform that helps you monetize your WhatsApp. Each time you are on WhatsApp, you'll be earning. And however, I am not recommending you to use your main WhatsApp. I am always recommending, it is advisable you use your spare WhatsApp account you know that is less important to you. Reason be that each time WhatsApp community or WhatsApp discover that your account is connected to external site, they can easily get your account banned. So if you are doing this business, me myself, I am doing it, and how I do it is that I'm using my spare WhatsApp account to do it. Now in this video, I'm not going to be showing you how to connect your WhatsApp account because I have made the video before. So in that case, the next video that's going to play after this video is how to connect your account, and you use that same procedure to connect the 3 accounts. Okay, the 3 application can be connected to one account. Please take note, you can connect the other one after you register, you can still connect the other one after you register. So as long as they're active with that particular line on WhatsApp, you can download WhatsApp Business or main WhatsApp, any one of your choice. You just use the same procedures I used in the first video to do it. Okay, it is very, very simple. The reason I will not be showing you guys how to connect it is because I don't want this video to be long. I just want this video to be short. Okay, so you can be able to get the whole clarification. Okay, now let me show you my withdrawal. So you can see on this platform, and the minimum withdrawal is 1,000 points. So you can see my withdrawal orders here. So here are my withdrawal list from this particular platform, as you can see. So none of this withdrawal you are seeing here is below 5,000 naira. Each of them is 5,000 naira and above. Okay, please take note. You can see it here. Then how do you earn? You earn when you are online. Another way you earn is by inviting your friends. You click on in promotion and copy your link, send it to them. So when they are active, they are earning, and then you are earning. Another way is by daily invitation reward. Click on invitation reward. So the invitation reward also, whenever you reaches 3k points, when your friends reaches 3k points, you can claim reward. So I have not reached this one, so I've claimed this. You see, from this line to this place, I've claimed it, so remaining this one. So that is it. Then another way you earn is daily reward again. This one is invitation reward, this one is daily reward. Click on daily reward. Now also, when your friends are active, you can also claim. When 5 friends is active, you get 500 points. When 10 friends is active, you get 15 friends. When 22 friends is when 30 friends is active, you get 4,000 points. Okay, so that's why I say you can earn at least 2,000 to 5,000 naira every blessed day from this platform. However, referral is not compulsory. Okay, but if you want to earn higher and if you want to participate in daily reward, you just have to introduce this platform to your friends. This platform is totally free. Okay, we all like free things. Nobody doesn't like free things, so we like free things a lot. So and this one is you make money for free. Just follow the steps. Okay, Now I have explained the first one. Now the second one is 22 Job. 22 Job is the second app. So here's 22 Job. Like I said, they all function similarly. Okay, there will be no much explanation because it is what you see on this one is what you see on this one. So second one is 22 Job, and I'll be leaving their links. So that's why I say you can maximize your income. You can maximize your income by connecting all the whole account. Okay, so you can see it here. You see this one, you can see daily wages. Daily wages here. Daily wages here, you receive this one. So when you also invite your friends here, you can also receive this one. Okay, all of them function at the same. Most importantly is when you are active with the WhatsApp line you connected. That is when you'll be earning. I repeat, do not use your main WhatsApp line. Use your WhatsApp account. You know that is less important to you. That's your spare WhatsApp account, your alternative account. So that is it. Then you can see promotion. You can still click on promotion to copy your link. Okay, these platforms form similarly. They function similarly. So that is it, guys. So now this is the second one. Then the third one is ATM05. Third one is ATM05. So you will see now, like I said, all these applications, they function similarly. You just need to connect your account to them, and as you are earning on this one, you are earning on this one. So you can see it. And all these platforms I'll be showing you guys have withdrawn from them. So you can see my balance here. I still have like 15,000 points here. So you can still see this one. Click on VIP details. This one, VIP details, is where you also earn your own money. So when you invite your friends and they are also active, you click on VIP details, you will be seen as a VIP user or a VIP earner. So you can also click on get reward to also check if any of your friends are active. So if they are active, you can earn reward. So this update is free. You can share to friends and family and get paid as long as they are online. As they are earning, you are earning. As they are earning, I am earning. So that is it, guys. As simple as that. Okay, don't forget I said how to connect your WhatsApp account. The next video that's going to play, watch it. How to connect a WhatsApp account is the same thing, since this platform functions similarly, which means everything is the same. So the only thing that is different is just their names. Okay, so that's it. You can see my withdrawal orders here. So look at my withdrawal history here. So none of this withdrawal you're seeing here is below 5,000. None of this withdrawal you're seeing here is below 5,000. So that's it, guys. And you can withdraw when you click on account. You click on withdraw account. From here you can add your bank account. So you can add your bank account. So if you have not added before, it will show you add here. So you can click on add. So because for the fact that I have already added my own before, I just want it now. You can select your bank. Please use OPay. It's either you use OPay or PalmPay. Okay, use OPay or PalmPay in all the whole account. You use OPay in 22 Job. You use OPay in ATM05. Use OPay in W8 Job. So these three platforms, they are paying you just by you being online on WhatsApp. As simple as that. As simple as ABCD. It doesn't require any money. Now, when you are inputting your name, make sure you don't space it. Just put your name. For example, let's say my name is Emeka. I'll just put it like this. Emeka. I'm not going to space anything, so I'll put it together with my surname just like this. Then select the bank here, then input the account here, then your login password, then click on confirm your account to be saved. Then you can go ahead to place your withdrawal. So as simple as that. So that is how this platform works. Okay, good luck to you guys and happy making money online.